juga kompatibilitasnya sama Onyx, termasuk juga sama cara mekanisme printheadnya. Nah ini yang tadi Pak Wan tanyakan, ini basically kemampuan mesin besar dari mesin kecil ini. Jadi dia ngerjain semua dari yang paper base, film base, sampai yang ABL TBL ini yang memang dipakai teman-teman namanya flexible packaging. ABL itu aluminium, TBL lamination. Jadi dia melakukan surface printing. Tapi kalau kita mau melakukan reverse printing, itu tinggal kita ngeprint single layer aja. Kalau kita invest digital, white
langsung doblok
Okay, can I give you a little bit of this machine is the longest machine ever been manufactured in the factory group. This is a machine that will be on metal plate. And this is the latest volume. This is the metal plate. With this machine, you'll be able to print metal plates on metal containers, industrial use buckets, cans, and this kind of thing. And with this machine, you'll be able to print CMYK plus white or whitish.
It should be coated with
Coated. So this machine is 34 meters long, 340. From right down there, so it's really long. So here you'll be able to see this is a hero machine. This is 60 monochrome. So with this machine, you'll be able to print on textbook. So mostly commercial printing products. Front, flat, and then you have a turn bar, and then you have to print the back side. So more for company forms with this kind of machine.
like bulletin,
Yes.
newspaper, small magazine.
This is monochrome, so it's more like for company forms, some documentation and things like that. And normally with commercial printing, people tend to print row to row first, and then you will have an offline finishing because you need to have the cutting, stamping, and forming. But we also have the full production line here. So this is also a monochrome 440 wide. This is a higher speed machine. This is a monochrome Kirin machines for commercial printing. Front, one color, and then you have the third bar on second. Monochrome again, black. And then over here, you have a full inline system. So this you do shipping, cutting, stacking, and offset as well. So that means, for example, if you have an order of like a book with 500 pages, okay, the machine is going to print with 500 steps stack, and then after that it's going to offset the stack, and then stack again. So at the end of the day, you will have full stack of books. Yeah. The workers will only need to take it and go to the binder to bind the books together, and that's it. And this is our own development on that. So you will have a stack like this. Offset stack. And this machine is actually very good for industries, like education books, like for example for universities, high schools, and all this is unique. So actually, this is I'm not sure, honestly. Honestly, I'm not sure. But this one is more like 40 mil thickness.
Jauh nih quality levelnya Eropa banget ini.
On my right hand side, this is the Labstar 330S. This is the 600 dpi 7-color machine. So everything is packed for customers already. So what we do is we build the machines, we test everything, and then after that we pack, and then it's going to be ready. Once we have the but when we send in the machines to customers, we'll use brand new printheads for customers. Because once the ink is filled up in the printhead, that means it's used already. Now, this
But when you do the testing, you already inking the pipe on
we ink the pipe, but pipe is easier for us to clean. Yeah, because we are a little bit more professional. We just need to put a lot more flush onto the tubes and get it more clean. And before we mount the printhead, we'll keep on flushing it so the whole pipe, the whole inking system is clean before we actually mount the plates, mount the printheads and start to do signing sections. Now this is the frame. As you can see, once again, we are using extremely thick pipe for the machine. So that means the frame is very stiff. So we are using very good materials. And this is the print tower for the machine. So this one is going to send to Bosan, which is our partner, manufacturing pipe. So we built the digital tower over here because this is our home, and we send to our partner handmade to combine together on a high press. Now this is a color machine. So this is a 1200 dpi. So this is a Labstar 330 HP. The funny thing about digital printer is you only able to print on a constant speed, and then the printer is going to start working. Say for example, you want to run at 50 minutes. So the The plate is curved for two reasons. One is for the precise height deformation on the material itself. Secondly, it's going to be better for tension controls. When you have a curve and then you do an S-wrap, and it will be tighter on web tension.
Because this one doesn't have to suction.
No. This one is no suction at all. This is just the what you call to prevent the machine getting dirty. So this is to prevent the ink drop to the down the bottom of the machine, right?